In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find deleted transactions in QuickBooks. This is a handy skill to master, especially if you're regularly managing finances and need to track changes in your accounts. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to sign into your QuickBooks account. If you haven't already, locate the sign-in page on your browser and give it a click. This will prompt you to choose which QuickBooks service you want to access. Here you'll select QuickBooks Online, as that's the version we're focusing on today. Once you're on the login page, go ahead and enter your credentials. Type in your username and password, then hit continue to proceed. This will bring you to your QuickBooks dashboard, the main hub where you can access all your financial information and tools. Now, it's time to navigate to the Reports tab. This is where you'll find a variety of reports that can help you analyze your business data. If you're not sure where to find it, look for it in the menu options at the top of the page. Selecting this tab will open a new page filled with powerful reporting features. In the search bar within the Reports section, start typing Audit Log. This tool is invaluable when you need to review changes that have been made in your account. As you type, you should see it pop up as an option. Click on Audit Log to view more detailed logs of activities that have occurred in your account. After accessing the audit log, pay attention to the drop-down menu labeled Events. Here, you'll need to filter for specific types of transactions. Look for an option that says Deleted Voided Transactions. This will isolate the transactions that have been removed from your records, which is exactly what we're looking for. Now, simply click on Deleted Voided Transactions. This will generate a list that shows all the deleted or voided entries, giving you insights into what was removed and when. At this point, feel free to explore these entries, as the audit log not only shows deleted transactions, but also provides a timeline and details of these changes, allowing you to glean valuable information. With these steps, you now have the power to track and review deleted transactions in QuickBooks. This process not only helps maintain transparency, but also ensures that you have a comprehensive understanding of your financial records. Knowing how to access and interpret these logs is crucial for accurate bookkeeping and audits. And that's it, folks. You've learned how to effectively find deleted transactions in QuickBooks. Remember, regularly checking this log can help you stay on top of any discrepancies that might arise. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in managing your financial records with more confidence and clarity.